And special thanks to our friends at this company who were nice enough to send us this e-bike accessories bag. This is a fireproof bag, 19 by 9 inches. And basically this is for like an e-bike charger, an e-bike battery, etc. Of course, you could use it for many other things. So thanks again to this company for sending it to me. Inside of this little nice green box, love the colors. Extend your e-bike life. Is, well, that's it, your little carrying bag. Open this one up. You have a fireproof bag to put you an extra battery, a charger, whatever you may need for your e-bike ride. And then you're able to easily close it like so. And you can also use this zipper to zip it completely up. And then you have a nice Velcro handle to be able to carry it or to hook it on your e-bike while you're riding. The material feels great. It does feel like fireproof material, so that's good for the fact that your batteries may be hot before when you're charging them. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this e-bike accessories kit to unbox and show you. That'll do it for this unboxing. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.